Today we're going to talk about an important topic, the impact of digital footprints on your career. In today's digital age, what you post online can significantly affect your professional life. Your digital footprint is the trail of data you leave behind whenever you use the internet. This includes your social media posts, online comments, and even the websites you visit. Let's explore how digital footprints influence your career and what you can do to manage them effectively. A digital footprint is essentially your online persona, made up of everything you post, share, and interact with on the internet. It's divided into two types. Active digital footprint. This includes content you intentionally share online, like social media posts, blog comments, and public profiles. Passive digital footprint. This consists of data collected without your direct input, such as search history, website visits, and cookies. Employers and recruiters often look at your digital footprint when considering you for a job. First impressions. Your online presence is often the first impression employers get of you when employers search for your name online. Professional image. Your posts, comments, and interactions reflect your professionalism. Inappropriate or controversial content can limit career opportunities. Hiring decisions. Negative online content, such as offensive posts or unprofessional behavior, can lead to missed job opportunities. Networking opportunities. A positive digital footprint can help you connect with industry professionals and potential employers. Managing your digital footprint involves being mindful of what you share online and taking steps to ensure your online presence reflects your professional image. Here are some tips. Audit your online presence. Regularly search your name and review your online content. Adjust privacy settings. Use privacy settings to control who can see your posts and information. Be mindful of what you share. Think before you post and avoid sharing sensitive or controversial content. Create positive content. Share content that highlights your expertise, achievements, and interests. Engage professionally. Interact with others in a respectful and professional manner. At Leak Content Removal, we specialize in managing and improving your digital footprint. Our services include monitoring your online presence, removing harmful content, and helping you build a positive online image. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. And if you need professional assistance with managing your digital footprint, visit us at leakcontentremoval.com. Until next time, stay mindful and manage your digital footprint effectively.